now we come to the very essential part of statistical analysis. So how do we got those results and how we do the chart step by step? So the first thing is click this button plus and create a new chart. So this is like a blank space. You want to know, okay, what I'm going to analyze. So the very important thing is the unit of analysis. You can see the variables here. There are three types of them. First is custom variable. Custom variable means the variable from the data, because each research has different data. So it's based on your data, what kind of variable you have. Quantity means like the numbers. You can see this small icon here, which indicate the what kind of data is it. And this tick, it means they are from your codebook. So it's like questionnaires. You can see in this, we have four categories: the gaming company names, the games, the topics, the gaming type, and then the ID, the MOPATH. So these are from the data itself. The second type of variable is called system variable. It means on the platform, what kind of variable they have. Similarly, quantity and database. For example, now we have two databases, so these are the two databases. If you have more, so they can be chosen here. Like I can deselect all of them, or select both of them, or just one of them. So this is the database. And then other system variable like the founder, who founded the project, who are the editor, the coder of the project. And then, so these are system variables. It means the functions supported on the platform. And we have a third variable here, algorithm variable. This variable, it can only be visible when you did some algorithm. Like if you didn't do any algorithm mining, there's no data here. This one, we did only one algorithm of mining, sentiment analysis. So there is a one variable shown here. So now we go to algorithm and mining. So you see how it looks like before we do the analysis. Click algorithm and mining and create a task. So now you should be able to see we have 7 algorithm and mining modules. A very popular one is the sentiment analysis for doing social network analysis. Are they positive, negative, or neutral? If you click, you are able to see how it works here. Let me show you an example. We can name it as sentiment and then choose a database. This is the overall database and this is manual coding. Just choose one of them. And then analyze variable. It means what do you want to analyze? The number, the title, or the content. Mostly it's the content, so we choose content here. Or sometimes if you just want to analyze, for example, the data is from Facebook or from Twitter or from YouTube, you want to analyze which platform is more popular or which platform has some complication, so you can choose from. So it's here. And you can choose both of them. This one, we just choose the content. And then, do you need to filter certain piece of data? You don't want to analyze all of them. You can add the filter condition here. For example, you can choose any condition, custom variable. You can choose just certain categories. I just want to analyze the data related to the gaming companies, or I just want to analyze the data related to games. So make the choices here. For this one, we want to analyze all the data. So I will just do not filter any data. So just leave it here. And data storage variable, it means the name you want to save your result. You can have your own name. You can use this one, sentiment analysis, which I did in the past, or you can add a new one. You can say sentiment analysis if they're news, sentiment analysis if they're social networks. So click OK, and then they will be saved here. This database has, as you can see, quite a lot of data. we're just doing an example, so I choose manual coding. So you can see 500 pieces of data. As I said in the very beginning, each month we have some free resource. You can claim them here, click free resource. So you can get some, it should be one details. It should be 1,000 pieces of free algorithm each month. So that means those 500 will be totally for free. If you are not an institutional user from the University of Nottingham, click OK. Oh, I forgot to tick content. Click OK, and then they will start to automatically analyze. You can see the result here, the progress. So also you can see the tracking, like this coder. He used this module in July 8th. So this is the progress bar you can check, and you can view the data. But this data is only for the algorithm. If you want to create another one, it works the same. Like sentiment analysis, this is emotion classification. It's specifically for the social networks. As I said, there is like, dislike, anger, fear, disgust. So there are 5 of them. Then it works same as the sentiment analysis. Also k-means, topic modeling, similarity analysis, semantic network analysis, social network analysis. Each module has its detailed introduction. You can find them here by clicking introduction, and you go to this user menu. So there is reference and there is introduction of what each module means. So this is algorithm mining. As we did 2 here, so now they should be able to show, as I just displayed, as the algorithm variable. So you see there are 2 of them. One is the sentiment analysis I did in the past, and one is what I did just now. So now we come to the unit of analysis. Okay, I want to analyze, for example, now which gaming company is the most popular. So my unit of analysis is gaming company. So I drag this variable to the dimension, and then the default numerical value, of course, is quantity. So it's, as you can see, there's a result here. Then you can choose to have a more visible chart based on your research needs. You can use this histogram or stacked graph or array stacks. So some of them may be very visible, some of them not. So like this one could be very interesting because you get relatively more comprehensive result. Or this one is also radar chart. You can see the distribution, and then you can adjust the small parameters here by using circle, polygon. You can fill the color, and you can display the number. If your data is quite large quantity, display number, sometimes they will only show some result. The top, for example, this one has quite a lot of games, so they just display the top, I think 10 of them, and you can display the value. So it depends on your research needs. And now I think this one is good. So how I save, just click save, but you want to name your chart. So this one is, we name it the most popular gaming companies. So this is the title, and then click save. And this is a folder where the data will be saved. So I have a chart already, just click save. So now it's saved in the charts. You should be able to see it like this one here.